So are you also replying to those same WhatsApp messages over and over again manually? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello all, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow, and in this video we are going to understand how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for a candle store. So over here I'm running a candle store and we frequently receive customer or potential clients inquiry on WhatsApp, and replying to those same messages and same queries over and over again is such a time consuming and a tedious task. But to solve this problem, I've simply created a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. So now what is going to happen is that whenever a user is going to send me a message, an automatic reply would be sent to that user, which is without any manual efforts. So yes, if you also want to create this WhatsApp chatbot for your candle store, then for that you have to come with me towards my screen.
Welcome to my screen. So in this video, I'll show you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your candle store using Pabbly Chatflow. So this chatbot will help you respond to your customer inquiries about the candle types, pricing, custom order, and many more. It is perfect for saving time, staying connected with the leads 24/7, and increasing the chance of converting leads into paying clients. So let's get started. So to do this, I've simply opened the landing page of my Pabbly Chatflow account simply by searching pabbly.com/chatflow in my browser. And after opening this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, over here we are going to get two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you can click on this sign up for free and you are going to get a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow. And now I'm an existing user, so I'm simply going to click on this sign in. And as soon as we're going to click on this sign in, it is opening all Pabbly apps. And over here you can see all the tools and applications offered by Pabbly. But in today's video, we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow because I want to automate WhatsApp conversations effortlessly. So I'm simply going to click on this access now given right over here. And as soon as we're going to click on this access now given right over here, it is opening my dashboard. And over here you can see that I've already added a WhatsApp number in my Pabbly Chatflow account. So if you also want to add a WhatsApp number, you can go towards this add WhatsApp number button. Over here you simply have to add the meta access token, the phone number ID, and the WhatsApp business account ID. And you're going to get all of these details from your WhatsApp Cloud API setup. And if you want to know how to add this WhatsApp number step by step and how to create a WhatsApp Cloud API setup, then for that I'm just going to attach a video tutorial in the description box below. You can check out that video and know how to add a WhatsApp number effortlessly. And still, if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. Okay, so let's get started. I'm just going to create a WhatsApp chatbot, and for that we have to go towards the left side of the bar towards this flow section of our Pabbly Chatflow account. And after coming over here towards the flow section, we have to go towards this add flow button given right over here. And as soon as we're going to come over here towards this add flow, over here is the flow start. So there are three options with the help of which you can start the flow. First is enter the keywords, second is enter the regex, and the third is choose a template. So over here I'm just going to use keywords and regex to start this flow. Alright, so I'm just going to enter some most commonly used keywords right over here, which is hey, hello, and hi. So I'm just going to enter hey, hello, and hi right over here. You have to keep in mind that your keywords should be coming in this blue format, otherwise they would not be selected. All right, so now after entering these keywords, you have to keep in mind that you also press enter so that these get selected. All right, now we're going to move forward and I'm just going to enter regex. So you must be wondering what is regex. So regex means regular expressions. So what happens is that instead of adding all the possible variations or keywords right over here in my keyword section, we use regex. It helps our chatbot understand different ways people say same things, which create a more smarter chatbot. So for example, someone might type and say that I want to know about your candle store. The another might type and say that I want to see the custom gift options. The another might type and say that I want to know your candle store timing. I want to visit it. So instead of manually entering all the possible variation as keywords over here, we use regex. We use some most common words and enter them into regex. Alright, so I'm just going to enter my regex right over here. So as you can see that I've successfully entered the regex. I have included regex as candle, gift, open, price, shop, sent, and over here you can see the rest, which is store, custom, and flavors. And in order to enter the regex, we follow a specific pattern, which is /b, then we open the bracket, enter the keywords, which is the regex, with the help of the separators, and close the bracket /b once again. Alright, so you have to keep in mind that the regex should be entered in this format only. And now after entering this regex, it is saying enter regex to match substring trigger, enable toggle for the case of sensitive regex. So over here in my case the regex are sensitive, so I'm just going to switch on this toggle button. It is not mandatory, you can do it according to your own use case and business specific needs. Alright, so now after completing this flow start, which is our trigger, we are going to move on forward. What I want is that as soon as my user message me something which contains this regex, this flow got triggered. Now further what I want is I first want to know about their full name. So I'm just going to ask them about their full name. And to ask them for their full name, I'm just going to go towards this actions, and over here you can see ask question. So I'm simply going to drag and drop it right over here, and we're going to connect it with this flow start. Alright, so I'm simply going to connect it like this, and I'm just going to enter the message right over here, with the help of which I'm just going to ask for the full name of my user. So I'm just going to enter the message, which is this: hey there, welcome to Glow and Sense Studio. Before we begin, may I know your full name? Alright, so as you can see that I've successfully entered the message. Now I'm just going to move on forward. It is saying select custom field. Alright, so I'm just going to select the contact custom field right over here as full name. So you must be wondering, what is this contact custom field? So to let you know about this contact custom field, I'm just going to go towards the left side of the bar towards the settings, and over here you can see contact custom fields. So I'm just going to open this in a new tab. Alright, so over here you can see that I've created multiple contact custom fields. Alright, so if you want to create a new, you can go towards this add more field button and create your own. I've already created multiple contact custom fields, so you first have to create a contact custom field in order to select one right over here. So yes, now we're going to move forward. After selecting my contact custom field, I'm just going to select the format of the reply. So over here the full name is always in text format, so I'm simply going to select it as text. And now it is asking me for the number of attempts, so I'm just going to keep it as 1. And now it is asking me for the validation message. So if you wish, you can definitely enter validation error message, but this is not the required field, so you can leave it as blank too. We're going to move forward. Now I'm just going to ask them for the email. So now after asking them for the full name, I'm just going to ask them for the email. So I'm just going to drag and drop this ask question once again and connect it with this full name. And I'm just going to enter the message to ask them for the email. So yes, over here you can see that this is the message I want to send to them. Thanks, full name. Can you please share your email address so that we can stay in touch with updates and offers? So you must be wondering, what is this full name? So this is the value of my contact custom field, because what I want is that first my user is going to share the full name, right? And further I'm just going to send them personalized messages with their name in that, so that they feel more connected. And in order to send them personalized messages, I have added this full name. And if you want to get this, you have to go towards this contact custom field, and over here in the full name field you can see that I'm just going to simply copy this field name like this, and we can paste it right over here. I'm just going to show you. It comes something like this. So I've already done that and pasted it right over here so that this can turn dynamic. You can also do it like this. It is very simple. Now we're going to move forward. I'm just going to select the contact custom field right over here, which is the email. So I'm just going to look for email and select it. And now for the format also, I'm just going to select it as email. For the number of attempts, I'm just going to keep it as 1 only. We are going to move forward. And now I'm just going to drag and drop a connection right over here. And then for the content type, I'm just going to select it as text plus button, and I'm just going to enter the message I want to send after they share their email address. Awesome, you're all set. What would you like to explore today? And I'm just going to add 3 buttons right over here, and I'm just going to enter the 3 most commonly asked questions in these buttons. Alright, so I'm just going to enter them. First is candle collection, the next is our store hours, and the third one is custom gift sets. And yes, you can see that I've successfully entered all of these right over here. Now we're going to move on forward. I'm just going to add messages in front of all of these 3 buttons. First, we're going to move on forward and add in front of this candle collection. So here I want to share a brochure for this candle collection if they select. So I'm just going to drag and drop it right over here. And now for the content type, I'm just going to select it as media. And over here, I'm just going to add the brochure. For that, I'm just going to drag and drop the file or browse it right from here. So I'm just going to open open my file, and over here you can see the candle store. This is the PDF I want to attach, which is the brochure. So I'm just going to simply select it right over here. So yes, over here you can see that I've simply selected it, and automatically Pabbly Chatflow selected the media type and entered the URL. We don't have to select or change it. Now I'm just going to simply enter the caption right over here. So yes, you can see that I've successfully entered the caption, and now we're going to move forward towards the store as. Alright, so I'm just going to drag and drop it, select the content type as text plus button, and I'm just going to enter the message if my user select as store as. So yes, over here you can see that I've successfully entered the message. Now we are going to move forward towards the next. I'm just going to complete the formatting, and over here you can see the complete message. Now we're going to move towards the next, which is custom gift sets. I'm just going to drag and drop it, select the content type as media right over here, and now for the media I'm just going to attach an image. So I'm just going to open the files right from here, and over here you can see gift set. So I'm simply going to select it right from here. Automatically Pabbly Chatflow is going to select the media type and enter the URL. We don't have to change it. You can see it has selected the media type as image, and over here you can see the image. Now we're going to move forward and enter the caption right over here too. So yes, over here you can see that I've successfully entered the caption. Now we're going to move forward. So now after setting up messages and all of these three buttons, now I don't want to end the bot here, but I'm just going to give a concluding message to end the conversation. So for that I'm just going to add buttons in all of these three messages. I'm just going to add one button in all of these three, which would be contact us. So I'm just going to enter the text also, which is contact us right over here in all of these three messages. Alright, so now we're going to set up the message for contact us. So I'm just going to drag and drop it, select the content type as text plus button, and we're going to connect it with all of these three contact us button given right over here. I'm just going to connect it like this, and after connecting this I'm just going to enter the contact us message. So yes, over here you can see that I've successfully entered the contact us message, and now with this we have successfully completed this chatbot. So I'm simply going to save this chatbot, but first to save this chatbot I'm just going to name this chatbot. So I'm just going to name it as candle store. So I'm just going to enter candle, and then we're going to enter store right over here, and after naming this chatbot we are simply going to click on this save button given right over here, and yes, you can see flow updated successfully. So now with this we have successfully created this flow, and we've also saved it, and now we're going to test it in real time. But now before testing it, you must keep in mind that this button should always be switched on, otherwise this flow will not going to work in real time. You can see that now this flow is active, so it is going to work in real time. So let's say first I'm just going to clear this chat, and we're going to start a fresh chat. So I'm just going to clear this chat first right from here, and we're going to start a fresh chat, and I'm just going to enter the message right over here, which is, hey, I want to know about your custom gift sets. So yes, over here you can see that I've entered the message, and now I'm simply going to send this. And yes, over here you can see it is saying, hey there, welcome to Glow and Send Studio. Before we begin, may I know your full name? So yes, I'm just going to enter my full name right over here, which is Test Lead. So I'm just going to enter it and send them this. And now they are saying, thanks Test Lead. You can see my name is mentioned in the message. This is a personalized message. Can you please share email address so that we can stay in touch with updates and offers? Alright, so I'm just going to give them my email address, which is lead@pabblytudes.com. So I'm just going to enter my email address and give them this. So yes, you can see that I've successfully given them the email address, and now they are saying, awesome, you're all set, Test Lead. What do you like to explore today? So over here you can see there are three options. So we are going to test all of these three buttons one by one. First, I'm just going to select this candle collection, and over here after selecting candle collection, it is giving me this message. Here's a glimpse of our candle collection. So I'm just going to download this brochure right over here and open this, and over here you can see the candle collection. Now we're going to move forward, and we're going to test this store hours button. So I'm just going to select our store hours right over here, and over here you can see the message. It is saying, we are open all week to help you find your perfect scent. Visit our store at your convenience. And now we're going to move forward and test this third button, which is custom gift sets. And over here you can see that as soon as I'm just going to select custom gift sets, it is sending sending me this message. This is the image, and now it is saying, looking to surprise someone, our custom candle sets are perfect for birthdays, anniversaries, or just to show love. Choose your favorite fragrance, add a personalized message, and we'll wrap it with care. Now I'm just going to select this contact us and check for this button. And yes, over here you can see, thank you for connecting with Candle Studio. We hope you found what you were looking for. And yes, over here you can see the rest of the message. So yes, with this, our chatbot is running perfectly fine in real time, and I've completed this conversation. And you can see within seconds in real time, I'm getting replies, and not only replies but personalized replies, right? So yes, with this, we have successfully completed our chatbot. And not only sending and receiving of WhatsApp messages, but there is another very useful feature of this chatbot. I'm just going to go towards this inbox section of my Pabbly Chatflow account to show it to you. So I'm just going to open my inbox, and over here you can see the whole conversation which my bot had with the user. You can see the sending messages, and also you can see the received messages. Not only this, you can check the status which is sent, delivered, and read too. Not only this, there's another very useful feature which is this contact custom fields. You can see that our user gave me the full name and their email address, right? So here you can see the full name and the email address have been added right over there in this contact custom fields too, automatically, as soon as they're going to send me this. So not only sending and receiving of WhatsApp messages, but you can also collect your leads and your customer information with the help of this chatbot which we created. So yes, with this, we have successfully completed our chatbot, and now with the help of this same chatbot, you can create a chatbot for your own business too, but you just have to tailor it according to your specific business needs. And now if you have any questions related to this chatbot or the video, then for that you can directly comment on this video. And see you in the next video with another very useful chatbot for your business. Thank you for watching, everyone.
So not only this, but with the help of same logic, you can create multiple chatbots which are tailored to your business needs. So now if you want to contact us, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this website. So now go and create this WhatsApp chatbot for your business and try Pabbly Chatflow for free.